Okay, well, we're streaming. Curious to see how this works. We are streaming to 11 different services. So, yeah, let's just take a gander at a few of them. Oh, well, Twitch apparently worked, so that's good. Let's go to Twitch and see how this is really working. Go to my channel. Oh, seems to be there. Cool. Turn on the volume. Wow. Okay, well, it's working on Twitch. That's cool. The other one is live coding. Live coding. Ooh. Trista Alexander, General Blood joined. Welcome to the room. I'm just curious here. I'm just taking a look at a few things before I really get this thing cranking. Thank you. And tour. My active project. 404. No. How did I take a wrong turn? I just clicked your button. My projects. So let me know if you guys can see these, see this thing playing and where you're watching from. Oops. Whoa, what is going on? Oops, start new project. This is Discord bot programming. This is just a blog. JavaScript. That's fine. Create project. I'm just really curious to see how well this thing's working. No, don't. Says it's offline, yet we turned it on. Curious how well that's working. But yeah, let me know if you guys could see this. If Genko, I know you're in the room. If you could just send a message. Curious to see if I can get this work. What I'm looking at here is this guy. And because I can click this. Shows me all sorts of things. Oh, interesting. Well, live coding shows I'm logged in. But it doesn't show that it's streaming. I wonder if we have to jump start it. Got that guy. Taking a gander here at accounts. Live coding. Should be good. I wonder if it was just giving me grief because whenever I turned it on, it did not know that I had this thing going. So let me try this. And just see if these guys pick it up. Oh, there goes live coding. Awesome. Play on that. Cool. Well, that seems to be working, so that's good. Perfect. Okay. Okay, well I can pause that, and then just jumping back to Twitch again. Twitch.tv/here. Alright. Minimize that. Hey Genko, let me know if you can send a message. Genko, will you send a message? Because this is showing me people who joined, viewing. I post. This thing's not doing a great job at showing me the posts you guys are doing. I'd like to see all of them again. Oh, go back to all. Whoa, Maverick. Wow, Nightbot is rude. Okay. That was a little harsh. Okay, well, this is, it shows that we do have a viewer on YouTube. That's cool. If you're on YouTube, will you post a message in chat? I'm just trying to see if we can get this thing to pick up some of these conversations here. Reconnect. Do the things. Do the things. Okay. Whoa! Hello. Hi! So, Chancel Chico, that came through. That's good. Thank you. Thank you for putting that message in. Just seems like Twitch is being silly. Work! What in the world? I'm getting messages from 5 different places. Oh, there it goes. It finally came in. That was super delayed. Ah, okay. Where is he posting from? I am posting messages on Twitch. That's Joseph. Ah, okay. Well, cool. Okay, well, it's kind of working now, I think. Nervous to close the different chats. Try putting one more message into the Twitch chat. Just curious. I think that's brutal. Rawr. Whoa. Okay, cool. Okay, well that's working. So I'm getting Twitch ones into here, and I'm getting YouTube. Looked like live coding is working. And I'm hooked into another one called Periscope. I think that one will work. I don't know. But we will see. Okay, well, let's just get going, I guess, and just see where we end up. I don't even remember where we really left off. Wow, that is cool, though. That's a whole lot of messages, and we're streaming to 10 out of 11 sources. Thumbs up. Okay. All right. If you are interested in doing what I'm doing with streaming to all these different sources, there is this website called restream.io. It is pretty cool. Restream.io. Great. It takes me straight into my channel. Yay for taking you into my channel. Okay. But anyways, it's cool. Check it out when you get a chance. In the meantime, gotta turn on something to help me focus while I'm working here. Let's go to my daily mix. Yes, please. So I would play music, but I'm not sure. Sometimes YouTube, like sort of these streaming services, will block a stream if you're streaming audio or music. All right, things to do. Stay. All right, make the webhook do something. Notify participants. That's right. Okay, so I got into this mental debate with myself, trying to figure out how I want to handle this webhook thing, because webhook is kind of an interesting concept. The webhook just says, it's saying, hey, I'm receiving something from a third-party source. Great. So, for example, Discord is going to be creating the event and sending it off to to the Evently server. And then Evently has no idea. So, okay, you gave me this event thing. Do you want me somehow to communicate something back? back to you whenever something happens. And the answer to that is yes, I would like you to do that. But it needs to know, what do I call? So he gives them this webhook, says, whenever you want to do something and you should let me know, call this phone number. But more important, it's call this web address. And we can communicate that way. So anyways, I had set this webhook up just to be for on joins. But I think we want to make it so it's kind of a generic one. It says, I'm just a webhook, and you call me, and you pass in an event and a message. Thumbs up. All right, well, I'm curious to see how well this works. I'm scared to close my Twitch chats because I don't know if I will get it back. All right, cool. So we have currently opened the server. Yay, server. So let's open up the other one, the bot. Well, it just told me, it says, you already have VS Code open. Thank you. So Maverick, what are you working on this evening? Are you working on a Twitter minion? And Genko, I want to hear about your job. How's that going? I know you started a new one recently. I'm so proud of you. This is the fun part, trying to get everything. Yes. What the demons? It's going great. Oh, keyword search. Oh, sweet. For the love. Get up there and stay there. Okay. Excellent, excellent. Feels good to be back in Salesforce. What are some of the perks of working where you're at? You're at, I don't know if you want me to say the place you're working at, but yeah. Starts with a P. Ends with, rhymes with sodium. Okay, so I need to open up Discord. Unlimited PTO. Okay, so we are working in my right test environment. Let's send out a quick message here saying, gone live. Catered weed, that's nice. Oh, that's catered Wednesdays. Both would be nice though, I guess. Let me do this one. What kind of food are they catering, bringing in? What am I doing? I need to open up command prompts, but I just learned about this cool one called PowerShell. It's cool. At Maverick, have you used PowerShell before? Takes me like the first 10 minutes of the stream to just get everything set up. Cool. Like, what's the advantage of PowerShell? I mean, I've just discovered it recently because I just always use command prompt. Ooh, cd evently npm start. Cool. How to geek. PowerShell differs from Windows command. Well, geez, I don't want to read it. I want you to tell me about it. I don't know how to use it. Had to use it for class. I usually use git bash. Okay. That's pretty cool. I love just, if I don't have to install something, thumbs up to that. So this is pretty cool. The main thing I like it for is because I can use tab. Tab to autocomplete finally. And it does more than just one layer deep. All right, cool. So we got everything running. Yay. Is the bot on? Yep, evidently bot is on. All right, we had some dude in here posting stuff. We got to sweep it. Sweep. See ya. Well, I feel pretty confident that this is working, so that's good. Thank you. Terminal logic, welcome to the room. Alright, cool. We don't need all these other things open. Okay. I use tab to autocomplete on command all the time, but can you tab multiple layers deep? I know you can tab one layer deep. So terminal logic, are you a developer? Well, let's see here. Hey, thanks, Evently. Why did I put a message down there? Alright, let's create an event. Tab is a must. It is for sure. What am I doing? Write test. So let's create an event. Create title. Do the things. Try it. Try doing multiple layers of tabbing. So without actually going into the folder, you just tab it in. How goes the butt? How goes the butt? It goes fantastic. Thank you, Carlton. How goes these? All right, so we got this. Do the things. Starts in 4 minutes. Fantastic. Start time. Yay. Bot close enough. That was fine. I didn't know we're on that level about asking about each other's hindsights, but that's fine, I guess. I cannot at the moment. I don't want to restart my computer. Me and Deviant. Okay. I kind of want to know, though. Git bash can tab multiple layers. Yeah, Git can. I like that. But PowerShell can, which is cool, and I didn't have to install something else. I do have Git bash on my machine, too. Just trying out a new prompt. You're a SQL DBA by trade, but I do a lot of .NET development on the side. Oh, sweet. That's awesome. SQL DBA, a lot of .NET. So you're a MySQL guy. Are you doing not MySQL, a Microsoft guy? Are you doing MySQL or Microsoft SQL? Terminal can, that's for sure. I prefer to develop on Macs myself, but I'm on a Windows machine at home because it's my powerhouse. I like it. It's becoming easier and easier to develop on a Mac or a Windows machine again. MS SQL. Oh, okay, yeah, Microsoft SQL. Sweet. Why did you gravitate towards databases? Or why do you like the databases? No, I'm not no. Linux is awesome, but I'm already running and it does just fine. Okay, creates events and we have timers going off every bleh. How long did we say these timers are going to go off? Oh, they're going off every minute. Okay. Whatever. We're kind of we really don't know each other yet, and I don't know any personal information about you, but what's a good salary for a DBA? So anyways, this is happening every minute. Query, getting this. Sweet, 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 sweet. Honestly. Gotcha. Sweet. I want to join my event.
I think my event's probably dead now. Yeah. Something's happening. It is not happy about something. What's up, bot? Did I kill my bot? No. Are you, like, blocked? Let's see here. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, thanks for the follow. Hexlin, I appreciate it. Hexlin, if you can hear me and are listening and would care to participate, I'm curious to know if you're a developer as well. Starting between 75 and 90K, depending on experience. Baco boom. Oh, okay, cool. That's pretty good. What can they get up to? Yeah, I think my bot just died. What? Carlton is now hosting me. Thanks, man. Whoa! And then it fired like a bazillion messages. So why did it get locked up like that? Okay. Let's see here. Evently bot. Let's open him up. Okay. Okay, what are you developing, Hexlin? Okay, I don't want this one like /starting. We just need to do /webhook. I like that way better. /webhook. Awesome. Request body. Yes. Good. Res send. Good. I don't think that would lock it up. So that means I would really like to just wipe out my database real fast. Thank you, database, for being awesome, but you gotta go. Show DB. Use Evently. Show collections. db.events. Remove? Remove? Okay, that's cool. How much does do developers, let's just say a front-end developer. How much would a front-end developer make? Termologic? I have a number in my head, but I'm curious what your thoughts are on that. Socket hung up. Do you have it consoling that info? I don't have it consoling that info. I need to. Okay, so we got that cleared out. Let's create some new events. Actually, more importantly, let us change some stuff here. Events, whenever it creates the event, we need to slap that webhook into it. Webhook. Cool. Where did you come from, webhook? Oh, server webhook. Yep. Webhook. Thank you. Cool. Alright, so now whenever we create an event, should do it that way. So I'll go create dash title, do the things. But I'm able to develop web apps at works, so that keeps me happy. That's good. Does just doing database all day kind of drive you crazy after a while? Alright, so I created it. We splatted it out here. It's calling our webhook. Yay. I was tempted to call it hooky, but probably shouldn't. Okay, cool. We got that created. It's posting to it. Yay. So we want to create a smarter endpoint as well. Alright, Mr. Smarter Endpoint. Also, if anyone would like to help participate and play around in this what I'm working on, you're welcome to do so. Genko, if you would like to splat out that information on how they can connect, I'd appreciate that. Developers make different figures depending on knowledge, experience, and what the company is assigned to them. That's very true. Woo! A lot of stuff just went out. One bot just got in trouble by another bot. Bot wars. Alright, so here we go. Console log, you called this. So we're going to go, we'll just need to create a, Lightbot is a team. Rightbot isn't mod. Alright, so we're getting the body, which is awesome here. Res.send, yeah, we don't really need to respond back. What we need to do is we need to do a module in here. It's got the webhook, it gets it, and just handles it. But what do we really want this to do? Deep thoughts. So some things that it needs to know about. Let's just start splatting stuff out on the screen here so I don't lose it. This is good. You stay doing what you're doing. Alright, Mr. Bot. You need to be able to respond on join, leave, starting soon. Starting soon. Let's see here. Join, leave, starting soon. Event create. Maybe do we need on create? I don't know. On create. On update. Let's see here. Because I think that's how we're going to change things around. Can drastically change things around where everything is going to happen through this webhook now instead of making individual requests to the server, which it still will. Deep thoughts. So let's think this through. Events on create event. Okay, .then message.channel send. Okay, because do event create, then it gets the event response. Maybe that's fine. Maybe we don't do anything with the webhook. That'd be too big of a jump to try to swap everything out for that. But that's okay. Alright, cool. So it's pretty much the only one we care about right now is when the event's starting soon. And what we want to do is let's create a new module for this. What can we do? We can call this like starting soon. Create it in the events, but I don't think it really belongs inside of here. Alright, so the starting soon module. Just need a simple one. Let's copy this guy's pattern here. It doesn't need to send off any requests. It might need the config. It doesn't need refresh event. We don't need that. Split. Okay, we're not getting any message into here. What it's going to be is that we are updating an event. So what are we going to do? So we're going to get a notification, and we're going to get an object. We're going to get an object just like this dude right here. Give me. In fact, let me just clear this all out so we got a fresh place we're working here. Thank you. It's not going to be a message. What's going to come in is actually the event. Down, 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 down. All right. Event ID, second ID, third ID, title, slots, start time, owner. What just happened? All right, so I somehow managed to lop off my name. Awesome. Bleh. All right. So let's just read some of the things. Terminologic says front-end dev 60 to 70K starting. Don't get me wrong, that's not chump change or anything. Both fields are growing and have ample opportunities. Big part of pay also depends on location and cost of living, a lot of factors. That's true. That's very true. Yeah, that's very true. So, I guess I'm kind of a unique situation. So, I'll share some information about me. But one of the places that I worked for is I came in, they hired me as a front-end developer. But a front-end developer meant I did HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular JS, SCSS, and then I did know Node.js, and so I was helping out on that part too. I came in at $75 an hour. So when you times that by 2, that's roughly, what is that? That's 150K a year, roughly. But that was sheer pay. There was no benefits, nothing. It's just that's what you get. And that was a contract position. So, anyways, that's some information that I have on it. Okay, so once we get the event, what we're going to do is I do have this thing that's kind of cool. Probably should get an event that I'm actually a part of. Biscuits. All right. All right. Create dash title long event dot start time. We can say this starts in 1 hour. Cool. Nice. Yeah, as a contract, you can come in pretty high sometimes. That's true. Yeah, pretty high. Anyways, it's kind of cool. Hey, if there's anyone just lurking in the chat room, feel free to comment, guys. We're here just to geek out about code, ask questions about anything you would like, and we'll see if we can help out and answer it. All right, so I had another one where I was actually messaging the people individually. I think help does it. I think we'll do help. Message the author. No, we don't want the author. There's another one where join event. Message that client that user find if yeah, we're not gonna have the message. We will have the client though. Maybe. There was this other thing in our index. Nah, apparently not our index. In our index. Yeah, that is true. Taxes, insurance, and other things. A lot. You are in charge of a lot more. Yeah, that's true. But then, I mean, if you think about it too, if you worked at a company, so let's say I was making 150K, but that's it. No benefits, nothing. All right, so let's go insurance. So insurance is about $1,000 a month. So that's $12,000 off, and a lot of companies will pay for your insurance. So let's go 150 minus 12. That puts us at 38. 138, I think, if I'm mathing. 138. Okay, that's down there. And that's just health. That's not dental or vision. So let's say you do dental and vision. Let's say that adds up to, I don't know, $200 off that. So 138. Let's just go with 137. 137. And then you got 401k also. Let's say 401k, they're matching 5%. That could be up to, oh geez, I don't know. That's like another $5,000. I'm just throwing out numbers here. So 137, that drops down to 132. Great. And then you don't have bonuses or anything. So let's say the company is doing a 5% bonus of whatever your salary is. So let's say your salary is 130. So 5% of 130 is $5,000 plus another, oh geez, math is tough. Another 7,000 or 8%, yeah. So 7%, that's another $7,000 off that. So you're really at that $150,000. I'm down to like $122,000 is what I'm making. And that's also not including other benefits that the company might offer, like Christmas bonuses or other incentive programs. So in the end, I'm probably looking at 150 is down to 110 or something like that. I don't know. Something to think about too. That was really rough numbers. Dollar for dollar. Bangarang. Dollar for dollar up to what? Oh, this is going to be rough. Son of a gun. I think I had a situation where I was able to get a channel from... How was I doing that? This is our content. What was I doing? Math. That's awesome. That's really cool, man. Where did I do this thing? Leave event. Yes. Refresh event. I don't know. Can I do that? That sucks. Both are Salesforce positions. My current company has competitive but not great salary, but the great benefits makes it hard to leave. Truth. Yeah, from what you have told me about your company, that blows my mind. If you can just get your salary up, geez, that would be so good. All right, so I think I can do this. So I think I'm gonna need the client passed into here. Biscuits. How are we going to pass that into here? Because we have channel module. Oh, maybe that's where we did it in. what we can do here is we can also, that starts the server. Crap. New Discord client. Thank you. Thank you. Client on ready. Client on. Gosh, I meant income tax, not sales. Yeah. Alright, client on message, client on this. So what we can do. I don't know if this is a good idea or not. Module. Yeah, module dot exports. I'm a little nervous about this because that means we got to refactor something. I don't know how to spell module. That is okay. Yeah, this is going to be gross. All right, you know what? Before I do this thing, because this is going to get nasty sauce. I'm going to create a new one just called, right click, new file. We're going to call this our disk client. We'll call it client for now. Client.js. And that is all of this. Okay, but. Client. Blah. AFK for a bit. All good. Let's do const. Client. This is a little goofy. Require. Just type it out and then figure it out. So I say turn on the server. Then we'll also say I don't know, client dot init. It's gonna blow up. Well, I hear that. I know. I mean, I know my fantasy is what I am spending, but as information to what it is, I don't know. I'm a business solutions analyst and not an accountant. All right, so we're gonna wrap this up here. So we got the here. We're gonna do a function dot init. Yay. No more server. All right, cool. Init, we'll do that. So module.exports. Want init. I want client. Sweet. Bleh. Oh, well, don't worry about it. Don't even worry about this. I should see if Discord ever added a CDN. Yeah, that'd be great. Okay, it says the bot's on. Are you really on? Do you speak truths? You do speak truths. I have joined. Hey, welcome new people who have joined the room. Feel free to comment in the chat and let me know what you guys are doing as far as projects, if you're developers, or why you're here, what you're interested in. Carlton and Termologic are pretty friendly guys. They'll answer your questions. Maverick's kind of a butt. No, I'm just kidding. We love Maverick. And Genko's a good guy. Just... Alright, sweet. So we got this thing up and running. Yay. This is true. I almost feel like we should do the same thing with this server here. We just have a server.onIt. Then I need all your nerd help. All your nerds helps. Termologic, hey, thanks for the follow. About time, man. We've been just talking. I feel like it's been long enough that we could be friends. I'm okay with this. I don't know for what. Well, you got us here. You got us here, Carlton. Alright. App.listen, that's to turn it on. Maverick, just subscribe. Maverick, you are the best. I take back my butt comment. You're a great guy. Hey, since you subscribed, you can request a lesson. Last person who subscribed was Genko, and we went over promises, and we did like an hour-and-a-half lesson on that. So feel free, whatever subject you would like to go over, I will dedicate a stream to doing that. So yeah, and that goes to anyone who subscribes. We will dedicate a lesson to you of your choosing and topic. Current hobby project is also a Discord bot. Haven't touched it in a few days though. Kind of have a writer's block. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What is the bot? There's other devs in here who might be able to help you get past your block. Okay, this is all up and running. Awesome. All right, what was I doing here? So we got this thing. We got server.js. Yay, thank you, server. We got client.js. Yay, client. And it's exporting client now. Yay, exporting client. Starting soon. Yay, starting soon. All right. I want client. That feels weird. // client .client. That feels funny. Only a TMI dev. What? Only a TMI dev Discord is foreign to me without a CDN lol. Only a Teenage Mutant Igloo dev. TMI. Too much information dev. I don't know what this means. Alright, so we get client. Yay, client. Okay, I want to try something here. Client dot. Well, that's about as far as I got. Good job. Twitch's chat. Okay. Okay. Cool. Twitch's chat. All right. I just did something. What did I just do? Oh yeah, client. What am I? Sorry, my brain is jumping off the walls tonight. Client. So our goal is we want to be able to get the channel because they're going to pass in that object that just has the ID to get the channel, but we need to get the channel. In fact, let's just go over here. Here. Discord.js.org. Thank you. Documentation. Hello, documentation. Client. Events. Properties. Channels. I like it. Methods. I want to get a channel off the client. I don't need a channel. I just need to send it to that user. Get user. How do I get a user? I've done this before. I'm quite unsure of what features to work on and how to best present in it chat format for Discord. I'm quite unsure of what features to work on and how to best present in chat format for Discord. Well, what is it that you're doing? I mean, if you'd like to share, you can, and can help you out. That's one big thing I was struggling here. I finally did some YAML formatting. Okay, I did something. I'm trying to remember what in the world did I do. Remove event. Somehow I was looking them up. Leave event. Message.client users find. There we go. There we go. Okay, so they're getting off the message. We're not going to get off the message. We just got the client here. So we've got client.users .find. Find. Yes. That. Okay, cool. Cool. That's what we do. Okay, so we're going to get that. So let user equal that. We're going to have to loop this too. Yay. Okay, so then we're going to do... Okay, so we get this object. Okay, so we got the event. So we're going to go event dot for each. Ooh, not that. Event dot participants words. Event dot participants dot for each. We're going to get a... We're going to call them a P. Because... P, and then we're going to go P. So it's the ID. P.ID. Then we're going to go this right here. Because why not? So, side story for you guys real quick. Coming up with variable names can be kind of rough. And especially whenever for colors. Trying to describe a color. Well, there's this really cool application called Zeppelin. Where it's designers use it to design out websites on how they look. And then it also, any colors that they use, it puts them into just a palette. And it generates names for the colors based off of rough It's just like it tries to give it a descriptive name for that color, trying to match it, like rusty red, something like that. So anyways, today our designers are showing off a new design to us, and it was cool. It was great. They went into the colors. I'm like, wow, there's a lot of colors in here. But then my eyes immediately synced onto one color name, Poopy Green. And that was the generated name for it. I was so excited for it. Anyways, side story. Are they HTML compliant? Yeesh. I don't know. They're okay. Let me see if I can find it real quick. Zeppelin. HTML. I don't know. Zeppelin. Just take me to Zeppelin. All right, this is Zeppelin. It's pretty cool because yeah, you can go in here, add pieces in, and it does tell you, like, gives you the assets to download, tells you the names of the colors, and then they have the guidelines. This is where it said Poopy Green. But it's kind of cool. Sign up for free. Pricing. What is your pricing? $0 free. I need this one. I can only have one active product though. But yeah. It is? I don't know. If you found that out, that's great. Where did you find that? All right, so that user.send. Yeah, we're not gonna send that. That's just silly sauce. So we go user.send message. Nope. We're gonna go event. We can go event dot title is starting soon. Yeah, that's kind of all this does. Pretty basic. Hi. Whoa. All right. Bacchus. Okay, I'm trying to pronounce your name, man. How do you pronounce that? But anyways, welcome to the room, Bacchus. Yeah, you can see where in the demo where it gives. Oh, you mean it gives a valid hex value. Is that what you're talking about? A Bacchus. There we go. Cool. Hey, Bacchus, are you a developer? Like the ancient calculator. Oh, son of a gun. I know what you're talking about. How do you pronounce that? An abracus? Hex code. All right, cool. All right, so there we go. We got this thing. Supposed to send it off. Yay, thumbs up. Lowercase a sound. What? All right, anyway, so blah, we got starting soon set up. Cool, starting soon. Good job. It blew up here. Can't find module ... client. Well, neither can I, so. Oh, biscuits. That's really high up there. Let's jump up one more. Carlton, you just got told. Nightbot just went after you. A as an apple. Abacus. Okay. That's cool. So, Abacus. Are you a developer? I did it. I worded. All right, why did we blow up? Okay. There, it's up and running now. Yay! So let's create a new event. Create dash title. Notify me. Okay, then I go join. I joined it. All right. I come back here. Okay, and I'll see if I get the message. Should take about a minute. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Trying to get my mute button fast enough. Okay. I'm currently learning C++ through algorithms. Cool. How are you learning? How are you doing it? I know of a cool website that I'm just going to offer to you because you didn't ask, but I might as well. Because it is this website. Hell yes. What is that emote? Tech.io. I had this one called Algorithms in here. JavaScript. Ringo. Genetic algorithms. Oh, there you go. There's genetic algorithms. There's some other algorithm ones too. I don't know. There's a bunch of good stuff here. But that's a cool website for you guys to take a look at if you're learning new stuff. Just nail ER. Wow, this thing's posting to all the channels. That's pretty cool. Hey all. Hi. Oh crap. I'm gonna try to say your name. Oh no, it's scrolling too fast. Mitral. Oh gosh, dang it. Mitraglatris. Oh, biscuits. Hi. How do I pronounce your name? Uh-oh. Thank you. I'll check it out. All right, cool. Just nail her. Oh, boy. Well, this is happening. You know what? I didn't do this part here. We need to import starting soon. Thank you. Just to go starting soon. Require // from where are you? // yep, modules, yep. Events / starting sweet Gandhi, starting soon. Alright, cool. And we'll go let event equal alright, we're just gonna do that for now. I have to create a new event. Thank you, I'll check it out. How's the bot coming? Don't say my name, just call me Mitt. That's right, Mitt. It's coming along. Just playing around with just keep adding more and more features to it. I mean, I think I almost got the core features all done, but I spend most of the time just hanging out and chatting, which is great. That's what I'm wanting to do. This is supposed to be people to come in, watch code, talk about code, whatever, answer questions, go off on tangents. But it's coming along. It's coming along. Thanks, Mitt. Ancient code. Huh? C++ is still somewhat relevant. It is. It is. If you want to get low, C++. Alright, cannot read property users of undefined. What? Cannot read participants. Is that what I was saying? Wait, cannot read property user of undefined. Users of undefined. What? Can't read client. Seriously? Client. Client. All right, what's the deal? Cannot read property users of undefined. All right. Console.log. Client. What languages do you know? So the main ones I program in is JavaScript. But I started off doing PHP, and then I did Java. I've done Ruby, and I've done some Python. And when I say some, there's just projects that have come up, and so it's like, hey, can you get in here and figure this code out? Like, I will monkey around your code. I've done Lua. Lua's cool. I did that one for Minecraft for the computer mod. That one's fun. You build robots that go and do stuff for you. And I done C++. I've monkeyed in some other languages too. But yeah. Go would be a fun one to go play around with. Okay, cool. Yes. Actually, you know what? I want to do this up here. Just tell me about it. Why are you not restarting? Undefined. Client is undefined? Do it again. Wait. Requiring client is come back as empty. What the business? Config comes back, not undefined. Client comes back with nothing. Why? Hey, welcome everyone who's joined the room recently and that hasn't had a chance to comment yet. Feel free to comment in the chat. We are here to help you out and just to geek out about code and whatever. Alright, so client is coming in undefined. Module.exports. Yes. Is that not right? Module.exports. Just JavaScript, or what are you building it with? What I'm currently building right now is it's building all in JavaScript. But yeah, thank you, RiotBot. Yeah, piece of cake. Stop posting like what? All right. Yeah, module.exports. Client. So it says I don't have that at all. Holy crap. All right, let's see here. Why is this not exporting? I mean, apparently it is exporting because we are able to get it in our server or our index. Yeah. Whole bunch of crap. Empty object, but that's not true. Hey! Oh, shoot, I'm going to try pronouncing your name. Noel Bum Got Skills. We're coding a Discord bot right now. It's kind of neat. Are you a developer? Have you messed around with neural networks? Oh, yes. Not in depth, but I have. I was trying to do it so I could do some neural networks to capture hand motions. Neural network playground. This is a cool one that I was played around with. I'll link it to you. This is a playground. Wow, that thing really just goes everywhere. Okay, so where this is located, right here. Go up a folder, gets us here. Go up a folder, gets us here. Then we got client. I want to try something here. Where are you? Client. Let me have you export something else. Test equals hi world. Oh, that's just straight up blank. Oh, programming, cool. Yep, doing some programming. But yeah, do you do development yourself, Noel? Might as well, man. Or girl, I don't know, man. You might be a guy, you might be a girl. I don't know. But yeah, it's fun. It's these streams that I'm doing, these are project streams, so it's mostly about just hanging out with the people that are coming in, just talking code, explaining what's going on. I do focus streams where we'll pick a topic like promises. We did that yesterday, and I'll prepare an actual lesson for it, and we'll just go through it. Still have people participate, ask questions about how to do promises. And then I will take those ones and actually upload those ones to YouTube. But yeah, you should. And then let me know if you do. Alright, so this is getting weird. Got some questions here. Module, yeah. Require yeah, as long as it's not like work related. Like if you work for a company, I would suggest not streaming their code. Agreed. Agreed. Yeah, don't do that. What the heck? Okay, the first module that loads, load that. When the second module is loaded and run, what? Oh yeah, that's true. I am doing a circular dependency right now. So, we're going to take it and make it not do a circular dependency. So you got the API, modules, events, and then let's call this, I don't know, new folder. We're going to call this hooks. And then we're going to take this guy, starting soon. Yep, everyone's going to throw a panic right now. That's okay. Carve config, yep, same thing. You're good, you're good. It's this guy that is going to be flipping out. Maverick, I'll be joining you in PlayerUnknown soon. Alright, this is going to be starting soon. It's not going to be in the events. It's going to be on our hooks. Everyone happy now? No. No, don't do that. Don't be an empty object. I leave work at work. Good. Good, 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 good. Okay. Channels, hooks, starting soon. Okay, for some freaking reason. I agree with you, Maverick. Hooks. Client. Still comes out as an empty object? Are you serious? You're not a circular dependency anymore. Oh, you're not console.log client. Ah, biscuits. Okay, it's because shoot. All right, the reason why it's not working is because API, this guy requires starting soon, which is down here, but the API is being required into who's requiring the API? Is it you? Yeah, requires all the routes. Yeah, so this loads in the API here. No, I think we should be fine. Why is this not? Ah, this guy's still requiring server. Stop it. You don't need server. Fix my things. Yes, I fixed it. Goodbye, circular dependency. That was tricky. All right. Don't need that anymore. Woohoo! What is a circular dependency? I mean, it's exactly what it sounds like. So, the example is client. So, okay. So, client requires an events module. So, requires it. So, it depends on events module. Events module had, before I moved it, had in here starting soon was in the events module, this guy. And it requires client, so it requires client. So that, do you see the circle? So events module, which is in client, or yeah, client required events module. Events module had starting soon in it. Starting soon required client. Client required events module. Events module. Da, 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 da. See it? Circular. Just keeps going around and around and around. That's a circular dependency. Okay, I'm actually curious if this is gonna work now. Let's create an event. Create title. Do the things. And I'm gonna join it. Okay, I joined it. I got that message. Yay! Come back here. Do the thing. Do the thing. Do the thing. Should happen in a minute. Or less than a minute now. Just do the thing. Come on. Hey. Hey. Realm of the Geek. It's good to have you here, Kento. I enjoyed your stream today. Congrats on using the JSON. The JSON. Yay! Oh, biscuits. Cannot read property find of undefined. Yes. Yep, of course, man. All right, we got 6 more minutes before I'm going to wrap this stream up. Client.users have find. Yes. Is that not a property? I need some more info here. Oh, dang, I'm late. It's all good. I usually start I start an hour and a half ago is when I do my streams. That's all good. You're streaming. I didn't want to interrupt you. Properties of client. Users. Yeah, see? I stream daily. Genko has that. So I stream every day from 9 p.m. Mountain Standard Time to 10:30 Mountain Standard Time or 11. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday at Streaming Code. And then Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it is playing a game. Usually I'll stream a game because that's the relaxation time. The Mondays I usually take off, spend time with family and such. Then I'll generally just if I'm streaming something else, just random, I'll do that. But for my schedule, like Genko just did, that's my schedule. So, yeah. Come hang out. Yep, it's just barfing on me. Stop barfing. Okay, it's users. I just saw you. Users. All user objects that have been cached at this point mapped by their IDs. Yes. Oh, bummer. Well, I'd love to have you here. My internet just hiccuped, and now most of my house is, oh. So yeah, going to look into what just happened. Have a good night, guys. All right, cool. See you, Carlton. Home automation fail. Ooh. Wait, left the phrase when you say. For each client, users find, and it goes, cannot read property find of undefined. Oh, sorry. Like this. I know, that's poor naming convention on my part. All right, let's do this. New event. Create dash title. Do all the things, please. And then I gotta join it. All right. Yay. Okay. Do the things. Do the things. Come on, do the things. I got a message from someone. Oh, Twitter. Do the things. Do the things. So the bot or the yay! It did the things. Yay! Oh, the other one's working too. Do all the things, please. Is starting soon. Okay, cool. So yeah, I'll just do a quick recap of what this all is. There's a good amount of you guys here. So this is called Evently, and the purpose of it is I built a server that it's all based around building a bot or building events. So people can come in and say, hey, I'm playing this game or I'm doing this thing at 9:00 p.m. and I need 6 people there. Great. It creates this event thing up in the Evently server. Then people can come in and join in and say, hey, yep, I'm interested. They can join into the event, and they could see a list of people who are going to be coming to that event. Great. So that's the server that I built. Now we built a bot off to the side of it for Discord that lets people come into Discord and have a dedicated channel where they can create events. So they come into here, and they go, you know what? I would really like to create events. So they can come in here and go, create dash title, and what's the title? Say, if I'm playing a game, maybe it's like rating black zone, and then I can say the start time is in 10, I don't know, well, actually, I want to do less time, in 5 minutes. But you could also do something crazy. You could say, in 3 days, 5 hours, and 2 minutes. So you can do something crazy. But we're just going to say, this one's starting in 4 minutes. And slots, I want 10 people to come. So you go, great. So I created that. So you see here, starts in 3 minutes. Here's the actual date that it's starting in GMT. Slots 10. I'm the owner of it. Rating Black Zone. And then people can join in. So if you're on my Discord server, which you could definitely, if you're interested, please join it. Join this. And I joined into it. Yay! And other people could join in as well. So the piece that we just built is I have a cron job running on my server that runs every minute right now. And it gets all the events that are happening within the next 5 minutes. And it calls the webhook on it and says, hey, this event's starting soon. And whoever gives a care, I'm going to call you. And you do something about it. So we built it so whenever these events are about to start, it notifies everyone in the group, says, hey guys, your event's about to begin. You guys should probably get on. So anyways, that's what we just did. We just added that feature to it. It's pretty sweet. I know that's a lot of info. Kento, thanks for joining the group, man. But yeah, if you guys are interested in joining this, Abracus, you're on YouTube watching this video, and the Discord bot that Genko built is not chatting over there. So I'll manually send it. You are welcome to join into these rooms. Let's see here. Copy. If you guys would like to join into the Discord room that I have set up, where we have other developers, and you guys just need help or just want to chat or know when things are going to go live, you guys are welcome to join in. So that is to the permanent room, where you can come in and just hang out. But if you'd like to be a part of the testing room, here is an invite to the testing room. You guys are welcome to join in, play around, do whatever you'd like. What? Oh, dang, that's so cool. Can you have it read you a message on call? I got stuck on an ad. Can you have it read you a message on call? Like voice? Is that what you mean? Sweet, I will do that, Shingenko. That's all good. I know that's a lot of information I just spat at you guys, but that's what this bot does, and it's working right now. It's splatting out. It's telling me that these events are starting soon. It's not very pretty, but it's doing it. Kento, are you getting that notification as well? You should add a time. Okay, cool. Yeah, I agree. We should probably just add some kind of part of that message that says, your event starts in 3 minutes. Get your crap together and let's go. So yeah, because you're going to get spammed with that message for 2 minutes, and then it's going to go away because it's supposed to be on every 5-minute block. But for testing purposes, of having it going off every minute, because I didn't want to wait 5 minutes to see if it was working or not. But guys, thank you so much for coming to the event. It was awesome having you guys here. I am going to be turning off this stream here shortly, but I will be streaming again tomorrow night. And we'll just be continuing working on this bot. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. And join into the Discord channel. You son of a gun, you did negative time. You butt. Yeah. We're going to add in part of the webhook that whenever an event has expired, it'll send off a thing saying, hey, this event is done. If you give a care about it, you should remove it from your list. That's a feature we need to add in. And speaking of which, we're going to say unexpired. Cool. Well, thank you guys for coming, and I hope to catch you guys tomorrow night. Take it easy.